I got parts for the Locost 7 project. I got seats. Now I know what you're thinking. Why am I getting seats when I can't even get hubs and make the frame a roller? Well, let me explain. Parts don't just suddenly appear just whenever you need them. So when you see a bargain, you kind of have to grab it for your project. Picked up a pair of Subaru WRX bucket seats from a lovely lady down in Brantford. Thank you very much. For the bargain price of, I'm not telling you, but I couldn't have got them any cheaper. As you can see, they're in excellent condition, and I think my wife might just have to recover them, but that depends on what colour we're going with the car itself. They're perfectly fine, totally neutral colour. Right, the other thing you're probably thinking, why am I putting big heavy seats into my lightweight car? Well, because it's a lightweight car that's going to have an engine, a turboed engine with twice as much power as it's supposed to have. So I don't mind a bit of extra weight to compensate for the extra power. Lower centre of gravity, and I don't want the thing flipping over. But that's another story. Right, I suppose I better try them in the car. Oh, I need to clear all the garbage off of it again. Back in a minute. There we go. They're not that heavy. It's tight. I'll give you a closer look. So they are pretty tight, but there's a few things I can do to remedy that. Obviously it's always going to be tight here, but that's cushioned so that can squish in. But the main thing is this. But that's just a big plastic cover. I can take that off. Same in the other side, and that will give me another inch of room. It's also sitting about 3 inches too high. These rails at the bottom are obviously designed for the seat to sit up higher, so I can chop those legs, that one and that one, so that it can sit right on the base, as long as there's enough room for it still to slide forward and back. But I'll deal with that when I get to it. What else have we got? Still got the seatbelt receivers on. And again, they're kind of hugging that side. If I'm going for a 4-point harness, then I wouldn't need them, but I still prefer them for everyday driving. The problem is I would need to make some form of seatbelt reel up here, so probably just ditch them then. But I will need to make some form of rollover bar, whether that's just a straight U up and down, or if it's got posts coming from here and there, just to give it some sort of strength. Otherwise, if you did roll over just with a single bar, it's just going to fold and, you know, break your head off. So I think they're going to work. They're a very nice shape, and I know that they're well bolstered because we've had Subarus before, and they are, like, as far as I'm concerned, the best stock seats you can get. But I need to ask my wife if she's prepared to recover these in whatever colour we decide to go with. I suppose I better jump in, give it a test drive. I just spun the whole thing round so you could see them better. Oh, we're rolling. These are the best seats, honestly. The best seats for the money, at least. Yeah. Happy. So another tiny step forward. Right, you might have seen in the thumbnail, I have renamed this project to the 7R7 because Locost 7 with RX7 rotary engine was a bit long for the title, so it's the 7R7. Okay, right, oh, it's time to play the PP game. If you're new to the channel, it is the past profession game that I just invented. This is round 3. Before we get started, I did have to amend the leaderboard. My apologies to Gary Collins. I told you that you were the only one that got it right, but in fact Simon Fraser also got it right, but I didn't see his answer as I was uploading the last video, so apologies. So on with today's question and who got it right on the last one. I was in fact a bed spring fabricator. It was my second job out of school. It was the most depressing job I've ever had in my life. But you know what, you learn from these experiences. Right, on to today's question. Was one of my past professions A, a bus driver, B, a travel agent, or C, a gardener? Make sure you leave your answer in the comments below before the upload of the next round, or you won't be included. Now there's plenty of jobs to go, so if you want to start now, it's not too late. The prize I'm offering is a Scott Rods t-shirt, a Scott Rods coffee mug, and 2 Scott Rods stickers. So make sure you leave a comment right now. Okay, that's me for the new. I need to get started in a huge parts list for this project. That whiteboard is rather empty. I'm going to be filling that pretty quickly. Right, take care everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.